Well, if only if it was that easy. Obviously I made the drawer box too big, that's why I didn't make all of them. So I've had to take off some material off the side rails that I put in, because it was tight at the back. It was alright at the front, just at the back, and I measured it and it was the same, so I don't know what exactly is going on there. Plus a bit of planing. It's been in and out like, I don't know, 6 times, but it's in now. So all I've got to do is I'll make the other ones, but fraction smaller. So now I've got the runners, I can check exactly what the measurement is. So crack on.
2,000 years later. The next morning.
Okay, so this is what I ordered the other day. It came yesterday. Ordered in the morning, come in the afternoon. So pretty happy with that. And it's obviously casters. Pretty nice, really good, heavy duty. Got 2 normal and 2 braked. I'll put the link in the description. And they're 100mm high, so it should be about right. So let's get these fitted. Sorry, I've just got to stop this here. I got this little wrench off of TikTok, and it's a best £26.50 I've ever spent. It won't, obviously it's not going to be like the best of the best to, you know, work on a car with, but anything that's cracked off or tightening stuff up, especially on this little job, it's well worth the money, and I don't regret buying it. I thought we'd just add that in. Cheers.
A few moments later.
So there we go, painting sort of like complete. Still got adjuster drawers, they need lifting up because they're so tight tolerances. It's my fault, it's the way I built it, so you know, just have to lift these ones up and, you know, muck about with the gaps. This one can go up, this one can go up a little bit, but I have to be careful because the drawer boxes, some of them are flush with the bottom of the drawer box. My mistake. So we'll see what we're going to do about that. I don't think there's anything I can do, but the overall appearance is looking good. Just ordered another one of those for it, and the price of these runners, I didn't realise they were self-closing when I bought them. I thought they was just ordinary runners, so I've ordered a new set for here. Change these ones over, and new set of casters for the bottom, because now they're I thought they was the same size, but now these are like an inch off. So I've ordered a new set for them, for this one, and yeah, that's sort of like it. I think there might be one little bit extra, and we'll see how we go. But overall, really pleased. So I'll catch you soon.